Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strain here. Doing some research yesterday on some debit cards. I mentioned before I have my Crypto.com card. I also got my WIREX. Still waiting my Crypterium card. And anyway, I was doing some research. Come across this company, Ternio, TERN. Just basically seeing if I had better rewards, etc. So anyway, I went for Ternio. I was surprised it's ranked 790. Market cap is not even 4 million. And the volume is really low. It's not even 21,000 last 24 hours. Circulating supply, for argument's sake, about 2/3 are out there. So it's quite an interesting project. The price, though, is 0.006. Its all-time high was actually 24 cents, May 2019. It's on a couple of good exchanges, Probit, Bitmart. I said the low volume was a bit surprising, but it does look a really good, solid project. Now, it's just another one. I know there's many debit cards now. It's certainly the fashion at the moment. You know, MasterCard are jumping on board now. But you look at Ternio, it was launched actually beginning of 2018. It's actually based in America. And it aims to accelerate the use of blockchain and cryptocurrency in everyday life. Well, they all state that, let's be honest. So it's basically got two products, Lexicon and BlockCard. Ternio's reportedly addressed the issues related to blockchain scalability and payment utility of cryptocurrency. What they state on their website, I'll show you in a minute, was a bit surprised when they state that they basically prove they can do 1 million transactions per second. It's a massive statement. And last year, Ternio was announced basically Amazon advanced tech partner due to scalability. So I think Ternio has absolutely massive potential. It's not financial advice, I'm not saying rush out and buy this. It's entirely up to you, but it really does look an absolute solid project. So I'm surprised again I haven't heard about it many other places. So basically, the debit card's called the BlockCard, and it's all with sort of Visa debit cards gives consumers real world spending power wherever Visa is accepted. So they're based in Charlotte, North Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia. You go on there, I saw this news article, which sort of led me to it when I was researching it, and Ternio BlockCard rated top crypto debit card by cryptocurrencycard.org. So it goes through there, and it states there, having reviewed over 20 different cryptocurrency debit card options, BlockCard led the pack by providing a combination of accessibility, ease of use, and a perfect 10 out of 10 score for customer support. BlockCard offers the most well-rounded solution for consumers in the United States. I've ordered a card. I'm based in the UK. I've ordered one, so I don't know when that'll turn up. Hopefully soon. As a go-to source, professional reviews on the latest in prepaid debit and credit cards that support cryptocurrency, that provides deep insight and knowledge into how emerging crypto card sector rapidly evolves. It's obviously going to be huge. The next year or so, I can't imagine how many debit cards there'll be because it gives it the genuine use case and general worldwide adoption. But you scroll down there to actually get it's rated the best one. That really stuck out to me. So I went on Ternio.io, going through basically, you can see here, you've got about the team, the products, obviously the TERN cryptocurrency, the bank, and you've got there the government, financial technology, and the documentation was the white paper, etc. But you scroll through, finding a banking platform, which have a bank account as well, built by a blockchain company. Ternio enables consumers to instantly move from fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat in an elegant and simple way, which is obviously what we all want. There are many ways. I can always show people if you ever. Some people said, "Oh, it's great having crypto. Where do you spend it?" There's so many ways now. When I first got involved with crypto, it wasn't that easy. We had some debit cards that didn't last long. Coinbase, especially in the UK, kept messing us about with bank withdrawals. But now it's so easy. For instance, Coinbase, I can do now bank transfers, but also can do PayPal, which is instant, free, and obviously very quick. I've got Bitpanda, again, you can do bank transfers, and obviously I've got these debit cards. Transfer the crypto to your wallet on the apps, crypto app or the WIREX app, for instance, convert it to your currency and spend at will. So it's very easy now. States there support for US international customers, the perfect complement to cryptocurrency. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation protects consumers against loss if their bank or thrift institution fails. Eligible bank accounts are insured up to $250,000. Crypto assets are not FDIC insured, but you've got the free accounts, you've got the hold, exchange, and receive. But it states here you can actually open an FDIC insured. So basically, cryptocurrency assets obviously are not FDIC insured, but with this they are. So you've got hold, exchange, receive, you've got spend and obviously transfer. And it states there, and obviously you can watch a demo. Obviously, I follow them on social media. And it states there, to sum up really, it sounds like the bottom there, Ternio is a global fintech platform built on blockchain. Ternio's platform connects traditional enterprise fintech banking systems with blockchain infrastructure, giving real-world utility to digital assets. When you actually apply for the card and you get on your dashboard a BlockCard, obviously you get all the privacy policy and all the agreements, etc. And I saw this. This was basically moving funds, very similar fees to WIREX, for example. ATM withdraw international, $3.50. International transaction fee, $2 plus 3%. You know, bank teller cash withdrawal, $2. ATM balance inquiries, even 50 cents. That's not the best, but it looks a real solid project. You go there, providing financial solutions for government, purely because it's capable of overdoing 1 million transactions per second, which is absolutely incredible. You know, let's be honest, that is wonderful. You hit the team, it's a big team. You can see there, again, we'll always say genuine profiles there, LinkedIn, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer. You can check their history on LinkedIn, big team behind it. Again, that's really encouraging. They also have their own blog, again, on the website, and you can go through the latest news. You can see there, Ternio has partnered with global peer-to-peer Bitcoin marketplace Paxful to offer their own crypto debit card. So, you know, it's just so much going on with this company that it's amazing when you go on CoinMarketCap. I say, A, there's low volume, and B, it's so lowly ranked. I think this could be possibly a hidden gem. Who knows? I'm certainly going to get a stack of Ternio after reading up on it, and I was just amazed the low price and how low it was on the actual CoinMarketCap. When you go on the actual BlockCard, this is the dashboard. You can make a deposit. These are the cryptos they accept to put on your card. Basic attention token, Ethereum, Stellar Lumens, obviously Tether, your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, obviously your TERN, Ternio, TrueUSD, DAI, Paxos, USDC, and Ripple. So not a huge amount. I'm sure this will grow in time because obviously more and more projects want to be on there. So I'm no doubt this will grow. This was the other bit, again, on the BlockCard dashboard. Start earning rewards. So you stake your TERN. I say they're not even, it's basically half a cent, you know, at the moment. You spend with your BlockCard and you receive crypto back rewards. So if you own 30,000 TERN, you get 1% and so on. If you want to own 145,000 TERN, you get 6% rewards. So you can see the percentages there. So I'll put this link below so you can see the rewards. Again, fantastic. I've also got a link below. If you want to join Ternio, join the BlockCard, get yourself a debit card, entirely up to you if you use my link. You know, basically invite friends, you get $10. So again, it's entirely up to you. It was worldwide. Actually, when I selected the UK, I went through and the list was pretty much all over the world. So it's not just there sticking with North America and Europe. It does seem to be worldwide. Now, so this looks, I say there's so many crypto debit companies out there, but the fact this won an award and it looks a real solid use case, I think the price is really low, in my opinion. I say it reached 24 cents last year, so that gives you some insight as they grow where it could possibly end up. Again, you have to do due diligence. Just quickly go through some other well-known crypto debit cards. Obviously, the biggest one everyone's heard of is Crow, currently ranked 20. Market you see there is over, $1 billion. So it's obviously done very well. I've spoken about that before. I've got my own debit card itself. At the moment, the price is over 6 cents. We were back in 20 cents back in August. 3 months ago it was at 20 cents. So again, Crow, I'm sure will grow over time and the price will go up a lot. We always remember before the MCO, which used to be called, it just went crazy. Crazy prices, few cents to over $20 in space of like 8 weeks. Absolutely mad days back in the last bull run. Another project I've mentioned before was WIREX token, WXT. It's dropped down the rankings. Remember once it was in the top 150. Market cap 26 million. Volume, not too bad over the last 24 hours, 845,000. Again, the total supply, basically about a third. WIREX WXT actually reached 6 cents last October 2019. So again, with WIREX, looks like they're going over to MasterCard. I've gone on the waiting list. So we'll see when that finally turns up. It's actually one of the only projects at the moment that's actually up in the last 24 hours. Said before, we had a massive dump literally in the last 24, 36 hours, but this WIREX actually gone up nearly 12%. Another one I spoke about before was Crypterium, CRPT. I got involved with this ICO in 2017. Again, I've ordered a card based in Estonia. Again, very lowly ranked in my opinion. Ranked 396. Market cap was 16.5 million. Majority of supplies out there. Let's be honest, about 83% of the supplies out there. Now, with Crypterium, so I remember the ICO stage. I took profits, I'll be honest. It actually went to $3 at the last bull run. That was January 2018 when it was at height of the bull run. And amazing. So now, back then it didn't have a card. Now it's actually making genuine use with their card, etc. It's amazing. This is still so lowly priced. Again, CRPT is another one to keep your eye on. The other one, which I never got involved with, was TenX Pay. At the time, it was the most long-winded debit card application you could ever imagine, and I basically gave up. You can see it's been around since like 2017, and for the first 18 months they just didn't have a card or any progress. So it seems to be getting there now. I just haven't followed it for ages. I know a lot of people talk about it, but I didn't get involved with TenX. It's ranked 567, market just over 8 million, 5.5 cents. Okay, so its all-time high, which I believe was actually $6.21 in August 2017. So then it was doing, that was when it was the hype. It was going to be one of the sort of first major crypto debit cards. At the time, we had quite a few. I had like a company called Exapo. They didn't last long because they were falling in accordance with Visa's regulations. TenX was going to be the first. With sort of Crypto.com, or Monaco as it's called then, these were the two big ones. These are going to be the massive debit cards that crypto needed to become mainstream, and TenX just took so many delays and so many issues that it sort of just died a death, I thought, but it is still going, and obviously done well. I've been on their website, they're progressing, so obviously they did make it, but again, I'm happy with my WIREX card. I've ordered my Crypto, I'm now getting a Ternio. That's 4 debit cards. That's more than enough that I need, really, to be honest. I like to spread it about a bit. I don't like to keep too much crypto on any exchange or anything really nowadays, so it's good to spread it about. So plenty of options there. Crypto to fiat to crypto to fiat. There's so many different options now. Anyone want any help basically getting started with crypto, how to convert it from fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat so you can spend it or put it to your bank, whatever you need, email me, info@cryptostrand.com, comment below, or hit me up on my social media links. Help you any way I can. Thanks very much. Cheers, guys. Bye.